$1 Million Highway. We just got on the $1 Million Highway from Durango. And we're getting some rain. I don't have my rain gear on. He doesn't either. Uh-oh, looks like we're gonna get wet. Where was this rain when we needed it yesterday? Looks slippery over there. I'm not gonna get over there until I get around this curve. I don't know what he's doing. This is a section of the $1 Million Highway we didn't get to see in 2014. We rode it, but it got dark on us. When it got dark, it was like in October, and it started snowing. Luckily, we got to Silverton. I'm just hoping this Sena is not going to get damaged from the water. Well, darn. My legs are really wet. It's cold up here, too. Chimney crickets. Oh, he's going to stop. He's going to stop. Here we go. San Juan National Forest. This is actually the entrance, I guess, to the $1 Million Highway, but we're going to put on our rain gear. We're putting on rain gear? Let's do it. Putting our stuff away. Oops. Well, looks like we hit a little thunderstorm. Been thundering. I saw lightning in the distance on the way in through Durango. I knew we'd hit some rain. Got our rain gear on, so we'll stay somewhat dry. Plan on stopping in Silverton to get gas. His trailer keeps him from going too fast. But our plan is to stop in Silverton and then get gas and then go up through Uray and Montrose and into Hotchkiss, where we'll be staying at some teepees, a teepee. So I'll post pictures of all that when we get there. Anyway, that's where we're at right now. We are hours out from that. Doesn't seem to be raining too much here. So far the trip has been good. It got better when we hit the mountains yesterday. The ride in was really hard because being on your bike for 11 or 12 hours, then and in such extreme heat, it's exhausting. And I woke up with really bad leg cramps, so I had taken a leave, and I'm going to take some later. I think he doesn't have any potassium vitamins, but he has magnesium. I think that might help with leg cramps. It's still sore, my left leg. And I almost got a cramp on the way after we left today, but I took an Aleve and that helped a lot. So, anyway, that's all for now. I'll catch in with you later.